New walk, the sun is out. Gonna go up Wansfell.
Only a couple of steps down.
Higher on the other side. Little view. Red screes, not in the clouds. Ooh, it's a bit of a climb up there. Mini gate. Alrighty. Ooh. Last little bit. Oh wow, look at that. Lake Windermere. Pretty much see all of it from up here by the looks of it. Grasmere down there, that little bit of water. Red screes. Going through the Kirkstone Pass over there where you see more sunshine.
Well on one.
These seem to be the favoured style for this fell. The old traditional slate style through the gap and all. Oh, sorry, snivelly. Ha ha. It's a bit windy up here. That is pretty much all of Windermere. And so that last bit in the sun,
yeah,
more or less, is the actual top of this fell. Somewhere where my finger's pointing. So that's higher than this. It doesn't feel it.